What is jeter, my friends? Jeter is to throw. Jeter is to throw. Is it clear to you? Speak
Throw.
after
Yeah.
jeter. Just speak after me.
Jete.
Jeter is to throw. Now you throw something. For example, you throw the garbage. You throw the garbage. What to say garbage in French? We say throwing the garbage here and there. We're just going with a very, you know, normal conversation, but yes, which will dramatically complete the pattern of your TEF. Is it clear to you? If I will
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
say the garbage, les ordures, les
Le-
ordures. What is
Les
ordure?
ordures.
Tell me. Ordure is what? Tell me. The garbage.
Garbage.
Is it clear to you? Les,
Yes, sir.
les ordures. The
Les
garbage.
ordures.
Jeter les ordures. Ranjit, speak after me. Jeter,
Lazy,
jeter is to throw. What is
lazy odors.
les ordures? Les ordures.
Laser
What
do.
is jeter? Jeter is to throw.
What do you mean by lazy odors?
Garbage. Les ordures. Ordure is what?
Garbage.
Garbage. Déchet. What is déchet? Tell me.
Déchet.
Déchet is your garbage. We have
Déchet.
the synonyms over here. Déchet, garbage. Ordure, garbage.
Garbage.
Okay.
Say bad smell in the garbage. Tell me. Mauvaise. Open your voice, please. Mauvaise is bad.
Mauvaise.
Mauvaise,
Movies.
odeur. Odeur.
Odeur.
Mauvaise, odeur.
Odor.
Bad smell.
Movie is
Mauvaise.
bad
Mauvaise
in
is
French.
bad. Mauvaise. Bad.
Movie.
Mauvaise.
Odeur.
Mauvaise.
What is odeur?
Odeur.
Odor.
Odeur
Smell.
is
Smell.
bad. We say bad smell. Mauvaise
Bad.
odeur. Bad smell.
Mauvaise
Movies.
odeur.
Odor.
Is it clear to you?
Yes.
It's a typing error. Sorry, my friend. It's this shape. Okay. Odeur is what? Tell me. Smell. Is it clear to you, my friends? Tell me yes and no. But bad
Yes.
smell, we have odeur. Mauvaise odeur. Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes.
You feel something. You feel something. That is sentir. Sentir is to feel. You you feel something, okay? You say, okay. You feel. So that is what? Sentir.
Auntie.
Is it? It's very smelly thing. In a garbage, you have very smelly. Malo,
Odeur.
malodront. Mal is again bad. What is mal? Mal is again bad. Malodorant. Open your voice, please.
Malodorant.
Malodor.
Malodorant. Odorant. Speak after me. Odorant.
Odoron.
Malodorant.
Odorant.
Malodorant is what? Very smelly. Malodorant. Is it clear to you? Smelly.
Malodoron.
Yes. Speak
Yes, sir.
after me. We to work with the words now. Malodorant. Speak up, please.
Malodorant.
Malodoron.
Okay. Les ordures, we can say garbage. Is it clear to
Les
Les
you?
odeurs.
ordures.
Okay. We can say the garbage. Le gaspillage. Open your voice, please. Le
Le
gaspillage.
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 Speak after
La
me. Le
gaspillage.
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 Speak after me.
Ash.
Gaspillage. What is le gaspillage? Your waste products.
Gaspillage.
Your waste. What is gaspillage? Tell me.
Waste.
Waste. Gaspillage. Now make a sentence. People throw the garbage here and there. People throw the garbage here and there. Les gens. What
Les
is
gens
les gens? The people jettent, throw the garbage.
jettent.
Tell me. What is garbage? Tell me. Le
Oh,
gaspillage.
oh,
Le,
la gaspillage.
We can say ordure. Open voice, please. Ordure.
Oh,
ordure.
Ordure. What is here and there? What is here and there? That is everywhere, which is partout. Partout is everywhere.